तो पंजाब में कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपना मैनिफेस्टो जारी किया है। विधानसभा चुनाव बेहद नजदीक हैं, तारीखों का ऐलान हो चुका है और सभी सियासी पार्टियां अपने हिसाब से जोर आजमाइश में जुड़ी हुई हैं। तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी का घोषणा पत्र जारी हुआ है।
Because of mismanagement of the government in the last 10 years. Earlier also, Punjab was the victim of terrorism and it inflicted great deal of damage on the economy and polity of Punjab. And the challenge before Punjab people of Punjab need a better tomorrow. This election manifesto is a forward-looking visionary document which promises the people of Punjab that we will undo the damage that was done to the Punjab economy by the previous government in the last 10 years. It points to a tremendous potential of the state in terms of agriculture, in terms of manufacturing, in terms of services, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of social services. In all these areas, the present setup has not been able to make adequate use of the potential that exists in Punjab. And Captain Saab's leadership is badly needed at the time, because in him we have a leader of great vision. In him we have a leader who has lot of wealth of experience and whose commitment to the cause of development of Punjab is unrivaled. I therefore sincerely believe that Punjab is in for better times under the leadership of Captain Amrinder Singh Ji, and that this better tomorrow will see all-round prosperity of the state, whether in agriculture, infrastructure, manufacturing, social services, and the management of the polity as a whole. The fiscal situation in Punjab under the Akali BJP government has been mismanaged in a manner which is unprecedented. Captain Saab's government will undo all this damage and set a new pathway for a better tomorrow, which will see that the people of Punjab will have a higher per capita income, better distribution of income, better employment prospects for the youth, and better infrastructure and social service development. With these words, I once again thank Surjewala ji for having given me this opportunity to be here in your midst.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर। जैसा आपने फरमाया, अकाली दल और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कुशासन ने पंजाब के बहादुर लोगों की तरक्की पर रोक और बाधा लगा दी है, और उस बाधा को रोकने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी की अगुवाई में और आपके आशीर्वाद और सहयोग से अब जीत की ओर अग्रसर है। मैं अनुरोध करूंगा आदरणीय कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी से कि वो इस घोषणा पत्र के मुख्य बिंदु आपके माध्यम से पंजाब और देश की जनता के समक्ष रखें।
डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी, अंबिका सोनी जी, आशा जी, राजेंद्र कौर पट्टर जी, रणदीप सुरजेवाला जी और फ्रेंड्स, firstly I'd like to thank the former Prime Minister for the very kind words he has said. Let me tell you that this manifesto, which was made by our manifesto committee headed by Mrs. Rajendra Kaur Bhattal, who is here, she is chairman of our committee, and the drafting committee was headed by Manpreet Badal, who is today launching at this very moment our manifesto in Chandigarh. Plus it's being launched in the 5 major cities of Punjab today also by various senior people of our party. This manifesto has taken nearly 6 months of effort on the part of Mrs. Bhattal and her team. They have visited every village, every city, every walk, people of all walks of life to understand the problems and what they visualized. And finally, this in 6 months, this draft was prepared with Dr. Manmohan Singh ji very kindly had a look at. And he's, as you know, we don't need to say this, most renowned economist, and there's nothing that he doesn't know about all these matters as far as Punjab and India are concerned, and of course on the global level too. We are taking over a completely deficit state. We are deficit in the budget by about 5,000 crores. We have a debt of about 1,35,000 crores. Today this government has been operating by selling land, selling buildings, mortgaging buildings, even old age homes and hospitals have been mortgaged to raise funds. Some funds like the Mandi board which raised.
तो कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह के नेतृत्व में कांग्रेस पार्टी विधानसभा चुनावों में उतरने जा रही है। अभी पंजाब के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी घोषणा पत्र जारी कर रही है। तमाम जो मुख्य बिंदु हैं, जिन मुद्दों को लेकर पार्टी जो है चुनावी मैदान में उतरेगी, उन बिंदुओं को कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह गिना रहे थे।